Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in for this morning's YouTube Live. I'm Alexandra with MDPen, and today we're talking about flavonoids and marine algae in skincare. And with MDPen, we do use red algae in two of our products, so I will be highlighting those today. Feel free to ask any questions and share your love for these two products. Now, when we think of seawater, and then when we think of water encompassing 70% of the Earth's surface, there's good reason why we use skincare um, from the ocean and from marine components. Now, seawater itself and blood plasma are very identical in their composition. And with this, we basically mean that they contain the same levels of trace elements and minerals. And they're so similar that they've even found that when white blood cells are placed in diluted seawater, they are still able to maintain a normal function. So that's how big this is. And because they're so closely related, both can help restore the body's ideal mineral balance. Now, marine plant life also absorbs the same minerals the way the body does and the skin does. And among them, we have this direct link to human biology. Now, seaweed and algae extracts do contain the potent peptides and antioxidants that we see in this skincare. And that's what's really helping prevent and protect against environmental stressors and things like this. So again, we have this component of antioxidants. And what they're also going to do is help support cell renewal and bind moisture to the skin. And this is what creates that smoother, plumper, really nice appearance. And of the many things that they can be composed of, the main one we're looking at is red algae with MDPen. And in this ingredient, you're going to find it in our cellular renewal serum. And this is a serum that I always tell people is great for compromised skin barriers, dry skin, mature skin, really any skin type. We also use it as part of our body treatments. It has been found that the red algae and marine ingredients can help also tighten for the body and things like this. You see these links here in the comments. I'll go ahead and highlight the cellular renewal now, since it's the one I'm currently talking about. Now, with algae, it basically comes with a lot of humectants, and humectants are known for their ability to moisturize the skin. So, great hydrating component of these products. The red algae is rich in the proteins, the vitamins, the antioxidants. And why we place it in this skincare with MDPen also is because it's going to help clarify and clean the skin. So, especially in the case of our retinol, which is going to be great for acne prone skin with this retinol, as well as anti aging. You have that component of clarifying and cleaning the skin. Also, it's going to help thicken the skincare itself. You have the water binding ingredients, which are going to help the skin. And with it being an acne fighting ingredient, it will also help the smoothness and firmness of the skin. A lot of people don't know this, but red algae also contains significant levels of vitamin C. So you also have brightening with this ingredient, and it's going to help revitalize the complexion. Again, you're protecting against those skin damaging free radicals. Now, there's also microalgae within the retinol, and this cell culture basically helps provide the pre and probiotics that are found within this product. It's going to help control the sebum of the skin, so your oil production and things like this. I'm going to start answering some questions now in the comments. Can cellular renewal help with stretch marks? Yes, we use this as the treatment glide during MDPen stretch marks treatments. I was reading that the red algae has been used as an anti-cellulite ingredient. I've never personally tried that or tried that with my patients, but I'm not sure. I did read that. So for those of you that do buy or invest in body creams, cellulite creams, you may be finding those marine ingredients in there. What should I not mix with the retinol? I recommend using our vitamin C and E brightening serum in the morning. Don't mix that one with the retinol. And also in the evening, guys, if you are using a retinol, don't overdo the other acids. So don't overdo salicylic, glycolic, mandelic. Um, you're going to really, again, it's not going to improve the barrier of your skin when you're overdoing it. And our retin-A has enough that it's going to balance the microbiome. It's going to help with acne, all of these things. How long should you receive results after using the MDPen retinol? As a rule with retinol, it takes 6 weeks to see the retinol work. With that being said, you are going to see brightening, you are going to see smoothing, plumping. In the case of major changing and anti-aging, fine lines, wrinkles, that's probably where you might be more in the 6-week mark, but you will see hydration, skin brightening, things like this. Yes, the retinol will minimize your breakouts. Again, it's going to improve the barrier strength. A lot of people don't know this, but when your skin is dehydrated or compromised, it can be prone to acne, prone to breakouts. So when you have this hydrating, balancing, repairing the microbiome, it's going to help reduce that risk of breakouts. Any more questions about the retinol? I see another one. How do I apply it, AM or PM? So it's PM only. Yes, you can apply it under your eyes. By your eye, under your eyes, I mean the infraorbital area. You don't want to apply it on lower eyelids. For that, you do need an eye cream. And when you're buying an eye cream, I do recommend getting one from a skin specialist. You can use our human-derived growth factor gel if you are looking more for an actual eye cream. That's what I would recommend. But anytime you're buying an eye cream from an esthetician, physician, nurse, whoever, make sure you're asking, is this safe on my lower lids? Is it safe on my upper lids? Very few products are safe on the upper eyelids. So make sure you're checking for that. You could dab the retinol on the brow bone if you wanted to. And again, use it on the infraorbital area as well as the crow's feet. So definitely do check that out. Is the retinol an antioxidant? So I wouldn't put it in that family, but yes, it does have antioxidants ingredients in it. Again, you have that red algae being linked as a form of vitamin C, as well as other protectants for the skin that an antioxidant would do. With that being said, most people will still want to use a high potency vitamin C separately, but that doesn't interact. Your vitamin C is in the morning, your retinol is in the evening. Here is a shopping code for you guys. If you'd like to go shopping for these products, it's going to be C like the ocean, SEA12, and definitely check that out. I see another question here. Is it okay to top retinol with growth factor gel or Revita peptide? Yes, either or. If you're using the gel, the growth factor gel, I would actually recommend doing that first. A very light layer. And if you are acne prone, you don't need to use the gel on your entire face. You could use it over post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, over acne scars, over fine lines, over wrinkles, and then use the retinol on the full face. If you have both the growth factor gel and Revita, use the growth factor gel first as a thin layer to spot treat, use the retinol on full face, and then follow with Revita to full face. So I hope that answers your question. I'm a huge fan of Revita myself. It's an AM, PM moisturizer. You can find a place for it while still using the human-derived growth factor gel. So I hope that answers your question. Thank you guys so much for all of your participation. Please use the shopping code SEA12. Check out these products. Try to bring those nice marine ingredients into your regimen. Again, they exfoliate, they unclog pores, they hydrate, they plump. There's so much purpose and meaning for these marine ingredients in the skincare. And again, you will find those within our Radiant Retinol Balancing Complex and our Cellular Renewal Serum. Cellular Renewal can be used twice a day. The retinol is an evening product. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.